Now it's time for a bout of unboxing. And Otis, I think it's you taking to the canvas this time.
It is indeed. And this week, I have for you a rather unusual pair of headphones. These ones have a hole in them.
Sounds a bit mad, but carry on.
Yeah, it sounds a bit mad. They look even crazier. So these are the Sony LinkBuds, and they do have a hole in them. And the idea is that they allow you to not only engage and hear your music, podcast, audiobook or whatever, but you can still hear everything that's going on around you. So a bit like the glasses that you showed us earlier. I've got a pair for you, Craig, so put them on, let me know what you think. The idea is that you keep them in your ears at all times. Why would you take them off to hear something when you can hear them anyway?
Yeah, and actually, if you are wearing earbuds, often you do leave them in your ear, so I think that would be useful.
So this hole in the middle is where you would normally have the bud. The music is pushed into your ear using circular drivers round the back.
Well, I've got them in my ears now and I can hear you perfectly.
There you go.
Shall I play some music and see?
Yep.
OK. It's got a good sound. I like to be able to hear things around me if I'm walking down the street, crossing the road. I want to hear traffic when I'm listening to music.
Yeah. I can hear quite a bit of a tss. There's quite a lot of audio leakage. It's a bit like being on a bus in the 80s when everybody listening to their Walkman.
You see, I wouldn't like that. I always get paranoid that people can hear what I'm listening to.
That's because you listen to S Club 7.
Look, I may have bad music taste, but it is annoying if you can hear what people are listening to on their headphones.
You raise good points, both of you, and I found if you turn the music down a little bit, chances are you'll offend less people.
The thing is, they're very, very light. I don't even feel as though I've got anything in, which could be a drawback, because they could fall out and I wouldn't know. Yeah,
they're super light. They're the lightest by far, actually, so they're 4.1 grams. They are splash-proof. They're sweat-proof as well. They will give you 5.5 hours playback on one charge, and then there's an extra 12 hours in the case. And they have this really cool feature called wide area tap. OK, so I guess because they're really small, tapping on them might be a bit impossible. You can tap on the side of your face in order to skip track, fast forward, etc. Before you attempt it, let me just give you an idea on technique. So you make a fist, and then you go at the side of your face really hard.
Yeah, whatever. I've got to give this a go, though.
Oh, we heard that!
It could be the new way you DJ.
We truly are living in the future.
And also, it's interesting that we've had all this time of trying to get complete sort of isolation and noise cancelling, and now we're going in the opposite direction.
It's quite weird hearing the music so well, but still being able to hear everything else, like conversations. No one has to shout in order to get through.
OK, so how much are they and when are they out?
They are £149, and they're available now.
OK. Thank you for that, Otis. Take a bow.